Imagine waking up to a sound so bizarre, it echoes across continents. In 2012, a mysterious noise shook the skies from Canada to Australia. Some called it the hum, others, the trumpet of the apocalypse. Videos poured in, rumbling sounds, metallic screeches, eerie echoes, captured on phones everywhere. Scientists offered guesses, shifting tectonic plates, secret military tests, even atmospheric weirdness. But here's the twist. None of the theories truly fit. No one, not even experts, can explain it. The mystery sound faded as quickly as it arrived. But every so often, someone somewhere claims to hear it again. So the question is, if you heard the unexplainable, would you record it or just hope it never returns? Let me know in the comments if you dare to listen.